right, guys. Now we're going to take a look at Pro Q and what cool things we could do with Pro Q. And these are more just standard EQ moves, but with FabFilter Pro Q, you'll be able to get a little bit more surgical and a little more precise. So, first thing, I got this hip hop beat that I've made, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can boost the hi-hats in your mix without turning them up, so you can have them cut through the mix a little bit more. So let's hear it by itself. Let's hear and we're going to make some more EQ moves up here to these pads and this lead, but this is what the beat sounds like right here. So you can hear those hi-hats. They aren't really coming through very much. I mean, the hi-hats are really important in hip-hop. So what I'm going to do is, normally your EQ is going to look like this, right? You're not going to see anything down here, but we're going to hit this little key button right here. And it's pretty cool. We can make this full screen if we wanted to. So I'm looking for this. The key of my song's in D minor. So I want to boost the D frequency. So I can probably, let's see, we can find D8 right there. Boom. So this will allow us to boost, and we can hold command and drag down to shorten the cue like that. But this is essentially going to boost this fundamental in the hi-hat, so it's going to stick out a little bit more, and it's going to be in key too with the song. So now we listen. And don't be afraid to really turn this one up. So we're not clipping right here, and it doesn't sound harsh. We're going to try to get that as close to 0 as possible. But I think we can actually probably go up an octave. So let's come up to D9. Okay, cool. Now let's hear it. Without it. You can even try both. Let's try boosting both. One right there. We'll boost it up. Oh, we don't want that wide there. We'll give it a little bit more narrow. We're going to go a little bit less than the first one. You can see right down here, we're at D and D. So it's the tune of this, or the key of the song is D minor. Soloed. It's subtle, but in the mix, you could hear it a lot better. Works out pretty well. So now we'll move up to these pads, because these pads are clashing with the sub frequencies. So we need to roll these off. But we're gonna do it a little bit differently. We're not going to since our sub is predominantly mono, we're gonna go mid-side mode right here, and we're just going to roll off the lows from the mids. We want low cut. That was confusing. The lows from the middle, I guess. Well, lows from the middle. It's not the middle it's not the frequencies we're talking about. We're talking about the mids as in stereo information. Okay, that was a little more clear. Listen to these specifically. Probably do a 6 dB cut, so it's a little bit more of a slow roll off. How it sounds with the sub. Maybe a 12 works better. Okay, I think that works better. So when we flip to the side, we don't have anything on the sides being cut out. So the difference is, let's get pull this EQ up here. We'll turn that one off. And if we were just going left-right channel mode, we could just cut everything out. Everything out up to, I think it was at 170 something. Yeah. Sounds a little bit thinner, right? So we're still preserving. Oh, shoot. I made a mistake. So you take a look right here. In comparison. Now let's get rid of that guy. Make the cut again. Sorry, guys. Sounds a lot thinner, right? It's because we don't have that side information in there. And it's okay to have because our sub is in mono, so we don't have to worry about it. And right down here, we got our lead synth. But we don't need any of this stuff on the top end, so we're just gonna high cut it. We'll low cut it as well. This is all we need. Then we can make another one right here. We'll just boost it just a little bit. Boosting it at A right here, which is the 5th of D. So before. So those are a couple of different ways you could use EQ, or Pro Q, that is. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.